So we've got a picture here of a slip road or an acceleration lane entering a dual carriageway. Very similar to motorways, but we're just going to be doing a dual carriageway today. So we're just going to show you what we're going to be doing before we actually get some driving done. So you've got the acceleration lane here, left lane and a right lane and a hatched area, and then you've got the carriageway left lane and right lane. You've also got the cat's eyes, red cat's eyes for the side of the carriageway, amber for the central reservation, green cat's eyes for the entry, and then they've got, I mean, you can't see it there, but there'll be white cat's eyes dividing the lanes. So when you're coming down here, you need to be building your speed up. So you need to know the speed limit. So at the top of the acceleration lane, you're probably going to get a speed limit telling you what it's going to be. It's going to be a national speed limit, or it's going to be 50 mile an hour, or whatever it's going to be. It'll tell you at the top. And it might even tell you towards the bottom as a reminder if it's reduced speed. So you've got to build that speed up pretty quickly. And also when you're getting towards the bottom where the hatched area is, you need to be letting the cars know on the carriageway you want to come on. So check your mirrors, centre right, show a right signal, telling them people that you want to get on. Now remember, it's not your right way on there at that point. You've got to filter in to the gaps, because you've got a giveaway point there, because people ask me questions, what happens if I can't get on a carriageway and it's packed? Well, you've got to slow down and give way then. It's as simple as that. So if our traffic's running really slowly, like a 3 or 4 mile an hour, and there's a traffic jam, then you've got to start slowing down and then just filter in. But 9 times out of 10, when you come down the acceleration lane, traffic's running freely, you've got to look at the traffic, how fast it's going, and you've got to tuck in. So if it's green, this blue car is doing like 55 mile an hour and you're doing 50 mile an hour, let him get ahead of you, tuck in behind him, and then carry on going. When you do get onto the carriageway, look at what's happening ahead of you, because there might be a slow vehicle, like a heavy goods vehicle, going slower than normal, or there could be a bit of traffic, so you've got to be looking quite far ahead of you. If this car decides to indicate right and pull out for you to help you so that you can get on easier, don't make it hard for that car to get back in. So once they go past you, just let them get back in. Okay, let's get some driving done and let's get practicing entering via a slip road. So we're just coming to a roundabout, and we're going to be doing acceleration lanes via a slip road, getting it onto a dual carriageway. So we're just going to get under this bridge to get there. If you're new to the channel, by the way, click on that subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner, and feel free to share the videos. So we're just going to go under this bridge and do a right turn, and that's where we're going to enter the acceleration lane to get onto the carriageway. So I'm just going to check what's going on, let them know our intentions, which is going to go right onto here. There's a bit of road works in the way at the moment, but that's a bit more interesting than anything. And I'm checking what's going on, make sure there's no cones, and there's the acceleration lane coming up, and I'm accelerating now, and say it's wide enough for 2 cars. And remember, you've got to build that speed up pretty quickly. So I'm getting towards 40 mile an hour, holding back on the gear because of the hill, and I'm in 4th gear now. Now at the top, the grass is going to end, and the hatched area where the white paint's going to be there. I'm going to let people know I want to get on. So I'm checking what's in the right, nothing, and I'm letting people know. And there's a black car there and a white van. The white van's already started pulling out for me, so it's doing me a favour. And I'm bringing it on where the giveaway lines are. And I'm letting them get past me. Give them a little wave, you might want to come back in. It's as easy as that. So if we do that again, time because the lights are on red, just changing, just check what's next to me, and I'm going to start building my speed up. So yeah, you've got to get that speed up pretty quickly. This one's slightly downhill, so there's more chance to build your speed up, and there's nothing in the right lane yet on the acceleration lane. And you see where the grass ends, where the hatched area is. And I'm in 5th gear already, and I'm checking, and I'm letting everyone know it's as easy as that. There's nothing in the left lane, there's a grey van in the right lane, there he goes past me, or greyish brown, cancelling the signal and then carrying on, and looking ahead of me all the time, keeping a safe gap of 2 seconds from the car in front of me, looking beyond him where that red heavy goods vehicle is, and he's parked up in a little bit of a lay-by. If you like the videos, feel free to share them. And watch out for the next video on exiting a dual carriageway into a deceleration lane.